What is FIT? The Colorectal Health Kit is a fecal immunochemical test, also called FIT, and is the recommended colorectal cancer screening test for average-risk people between the ages of 50 and 74. It is a safe, non-invasive, and painless at-home cancer screening test. Why is FIT testing important? 90% of colorectal cancer is curable when it is caught early. The Colorectal Health Kit test increases the chance of finding cancer early when it is more likely to be cured. Who is the test for? The Colorectal Health Kit is available for anyone between the ages of 50 and 74 who is not eligible for the Cancer Care Ontario FIT program and hasn't been checked in the last 24 months. Anyone outside of this age group who wishes to get screened should speak with their healthcare provider.